Hello guys, today I have some news. So on any of my videos you can comment telling me a video that I should make, and if you can tell me a really good idea, I might just do it. And if it's a really good idea, I'll put it in Epic Adventures. And if you haven't seen the episode 1 of Epic Adventures, you should see it. It's not the best Epic Adventures episode, it's just the first one. It's called Mario Gets a Friend. It is good, but not the best one. And that's about it. I'm just telling you about Epic Adventures, and please like and subscribe. Well, it looks like one of my videos just uploaded.